Get ready to explore, build, and create. This isn't just a box of parts, this is a complete innovation kit designed to turn curiosity into creativity. Welcome to Create Academy. Today we are unboxing the Robotronix Kit, a powerful learning kit where students don't just learn technology, they build it. The Robotronix Kit is designed to introduce students to the world of robotics, electronics, and real-world applications. From sensors and motors to controllers and tools, this kit allows students to build multiple hands-on projects, guided through structured activities on the Create Academy LMS. Let's open the box and see what's inside. The chassis. This is the base on which robots are built, giving structure and support to every project. The Arduino Uno. This is the brain of the robot. It controls sensors, motors, and actions, turning code into movement. Biomotor and wheels, allowing the robot to move forward, backward, and turn smoothly. The caster wheels help maintain balance and easy movement. A DC motor and a toy fan, perfect for understanding motion and speed. The servo motor allows precise movements, ideal for robotics arm, steering, and controlled actions. What makes a robot smart? Its sensors. The IR sensor helps robot detect object and follow paths. The ultrasonic sensor measures distance, help robots avoid obstacles. The LDR sensor allows robot to react to lights. Soil moisture sensor helps understand environmental conditions, perfect for agriculture and smart irrigation projects. And the solar panel, introducing students to renewable energy and sustainable technology. Here are the essentials that bring everything together. A breadboard for easy and safe circuit building. LEDs to indicate signals and status. Jumper wires and cables to connect components and ideas. And we have few more small components like resistor to control the electric flow, and buzzer for sound alert, and push button. Motor driver to control the speed and motion of the motor. Lithium-ion battery and battery holders. It gives power supply to your robots. With Robotronix Kit, students don't just assemble parts. They follow guided activities on the Create Academy LMS, where they learn step by step how each component works and how to combine them in the real-world projects. This unboxing is just the beginning. With the Robotronix Kit, students can build many different projects, from moving robots and smart sensors to automations and renewable energy models. This is where the learning becomes hands-on. This is where ideas become reality. This is Robotronix by Create Academy, where future innovators begins their journey. Today we are going to build a smart distance detector using Arduino and an ultrasonic sensor. For this activity, we are using an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, an ultrasonic sensor, 3 LEDs, red, yellow, and green, and jumper wires. First, we place the Arduino Uno and the breadboard on the table. Arduino will act as the brain of our project. Now, we connect the LEDs. The red LED is connected to pin D2, the yellow LED to pin D3, and the green LED to pin D4. The negative terminals of all the LEDs are connected to ground. Next, we connect the ultrasonic sensor. The trig pin goes to D9, the echo pin goes to D10, VCC is connected to 5 volts, and the GND is connected to ground. Now, we program the Arduino. The code tells the ultrasonic sensor to measure distance and turn on different LEDs based on how close the object is. After writing the code, we upload it to Arduino. Once the upload is complete, the setup is ready. Now let's see how it works When an object comes very close, the red LED turns on. When the object is at a medium distance, the yellow LED turns on. And when the object is far away, the green LED turns on. This is the same technology used in parking sensors, robots, and smart devices. With Robotronix Kit, learning robotics becomes simple and fun. Thank you for watching.